Hey there, Andrew Schaefer here, one of the chefs with Vitamix. Today I want to show you how you can turn a few cups of roasted, unsalted almonds, or any nut for that matter, into a nice smooth, creamy nut butter with the power of the Vitamix. The important thing to remember when you make a nut butter is that you've got to use a roasted nut. That's what's going to allow the oils on the inside to release when the blending process is occurring, and that's going to lead to that smooth, creamy texture that you're looking for out of a nut butter. You can use anything from peanuts to almonds, to walnuts, to cashews, or whatever you choose. Today I'm going to be blending in our Ascent 3500 series with a 64-ounce low-profile container. You could also do this recipe in a 64-ounce classic container, and it'll be just the same with 4 cups of roasted unsalted nuts. But you could cut that recipe in half and do it in a 48-ounce container just the same. First thing we're going to do, remove the lid from your container. We're going to add in our 4 cups of roasted unsalted almonds. Throw the lid back on. Hear those 2 snaps and you know you're good to go. We're going to turn this from 1 up to 10. If you've got a high on your machine, you're going to want to bring it from 10 to high. And there you have it, blending for 1 minute and using the tamper to push the ingredients into the blades. That's going to get you your nice, smooth, creamy peanut butter texture. So after just a minute of blending and tamping, you're left with a nice, smooth, creamy almond butter. This keeps really well in the fridge. It prevents most of the oils from separating as they would naturally, although it is fine to keep out and to keep it in your cupboard or your pantry if you prefer. But nonetheless, it's ready to be enjoyed now.